Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to be talking 2024, which is so crazy. I definitely feel ready because 2023 was a heck of a year. If you guys are new here, my name's Taylor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up at any point in the video if you're enjoying it. I definitely want to give you guys like a 2023 debrief because it has been a crazy year for me personally, and I am ready to dive into 2024. But before I really kick off things in this video, I want to quickly shout out the sponsor of this portion of the video, which is Luisa. You guys know I am so obsessed with this jewelry company. They have so many different pieces in a variety of prices and different looks. I personally love the layered look, so like I will stack rings. I'm obsessed with this bracelet. All of their pieces are amazing quality. I always get so many compliments and people are always asking me where my rings and my bracelets are from. I know we're actually in the gift giving season, so Ana Luisa is always a great place to shop for your family and friends. They have really beautiful personalized pieces. If you have someone in your life that you want to get them a little initial necklace, Ana Luisa is the place to go. I'm really into this ring here. It has a green gem inside, but it's just so petite and gorgeous. Since it's also the holiday season, they are running a promotion right now if you're watching this video when it's uploaded. If you missed it, not to worry, you can always use my custom discount code to get some money off your order. Wearing their jewelry actually just makes me feel so much better about myself. I feel like when I layer on a few pieces of jewelry, even when I have no makeup on, it just like elevates me. Put on some jewelry, it definitely makes a difference. All right, y'all, 2023. I actually have my vision board behind me. I have a little fireplace going. It's definitely a cozy vibe in here. I do have my vision board behind me. I have made videos on a vision board before, so if you guys want to check those out, definitely check out a few links that I have in my description. I am such a vision board girly. I've been making them for I think 4 or 5 years. They definitely make a difference, especially when it's right next to my desk. I work from home, so I really get to look at that and it just motivates me and inspires me every day. This video, I'm just going to be talking about how to prep for 2024 while also reflecting on my 2023. My year started so crazy, and I'm gonna mention something that I wanted to make maybe a whole separate video on because I've just learned so much from it. But I actually went through a breakup early in the year, literally first week of January of 2023. I went through a breakup. We were together for 5.5 years, so it was a big chunk of my life. So that kind of like set my year up in a totally different headspace. I didn't know what to expect in the year 2023. Just put my head in a totally different headspace and mindset. There was a couple amazing things that happened in my life this year. I actually got my pretty much dream car. I never thought I would get the car that I have today. Another crazy thing that happened this year is I quit my job, but now I am working 100% remote, so I have the opportunity to really take my life wherever I want to go. That's a whole nother video, you guys. Next year is going to be crazy. For the most part, this has been such an eye-opening year, and I really think my frontal lobe is like in tune with me. Like I just feel so much has changed. My brain is open, my mind is open, and I'm in a place that I never thought I would be in. This video is obviously about how to prep for 2024, and I just wanted to share with you guys a few things that happened in my life because it definitely helped me pick out some of these things to talk to you guys about. First thing I think is so important is setting your goals now. So you might actually be watching this video in 2024, which is totally fine, but if you're watching this video now in 2023, now is the time. Now is the time to start writing down those goals that you want to achieve in 2024. Because as crazy as this sounds, you could potentially achieve or surpass a goal on January 1st. It doesn't matter. Things just need to start now. You need to start thinking about these things now, because unfortunately when people reach that new year and then a week goes by, they're like, forget it. You can slowly start getting yourself into the mindset that you want to have throughout the whole year. Speaking of starting things now is the time to start those new routines. I'm talking start it tonight, start it after you watch this video, start it tomorrow morning. Start those new routines that you want to get into now, because now you can actually get into the habit of things and be ready for 2024. Like your life can automatically change. Something that I recently did actually is when I started my new job, I told myself, okay, when I start this new job, job, on my first day, I am going to get up at 6 a.m. and go to the gym. I do it 4 days a week, and I've been doing it for like 7 weeks, 6 or 7 weeks now, but it is so much easier because I started it in a new routine. Because it was a new job, it was so easy for me to just jump right into a new routine, and my brain was like, oh, this is new, and eventually it just becomes part of your life and it becomes your lifestyle. Speaking of goals, I actually think making a vision board around right now is a really great idea too, because you can really start to think about what you want to accomplish next year instead of rushing and being like, oh my gosh, it's January 1st or it's December 30th and I need to like figure out what I want for the year. Start kind of thinking about those things, digesting those things. They don't need to be huge things. It could literally be a picture of a book and you want to read one book, or it could be a picture of a beach and you want to go on a vacation. Like, very simple. These don't need to be extravagant, crazy goals. Be realistic. I mean, of course, shoot for the stars, but look at your vision board as something that you can actually accomplish, because then it's actually a little bit more motivating when you look at it at the end of the year and be like, okay, yeah, I did that. That's awesome. If you want to change your look in 2024, now is of course the time to start that too. I'm that type of person that is constantly going through like style changes. I still can't figure out my style. I've realized that I'm a very basic, minimal person. Going through your closet and getting rid of the things that you definitely don't wear anymore, and really refining what you want your personal style to be. It takes time to figure out what you like, what you feel the most comfortable in. You can really start defining what you want to wear and what you want to bring in 2024. Going through your closet is one thing, but also just changing your look. If that's something that you really want to hit, start learning those new makeup routines, start whitening your teeth, cut your hair, do something crazy, and enter the new year as that person. Our vision board is filled with pictures, but I also think writing down your goals is very important, and it definitely keeps you on track. You can write out exactly what you want to accomplish. I really think it's important to either split this by month or by quarter, because saying, okay, 2024, I want this, and then you're like, oh shoot, it's already August. Set those goals by month, by quarter. Maybe it's getting a new job. Maybe it's having X in your savings account. Maybe it's teaching yourself to run a mile in January, 2 miles in February, 3 miles in March. It does not have to be anything big or crazy, but writing out in more of like a structured way is going to keep you on track. Something that I can't do is kind of exit myself and not indulge in social media, which sounds so crazy, but I actually work in the social space, so I am somebody who has to be on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram for like my 9 to 5. When I'm not working and I want to like leisurely scroll, I'm trying to be a little bit more strategic about it and digest things that actually matter. I've actually been on TikTok and utilizing that folder feature and looking up new recipes because I really want to start cooking more, saving things that have to do with clothing for like a minimal style, not buying as many useless pieces. So maybe you're addicted to scrolling on social media. Don't mindlessly scroll. Try to not scroll right when you wake up in the morning, but when you are scrolling, use it as like a tool. Another big one is affirmations and gratitude. I feel like a lot of people hear this and they're like, yeah, gratitude, affirmations, like I do that. Me personally, I do have a lot of faith in God, so I do pray every night and express my gratitude, and knowing that this life is literally like a blip, just reflecting not only on my personal life but everything that's going on in the world, my mindset has just altered. Yes, we're entering a new year, and yes, there is significance to that, but at the end of the day, everybody has their own timeline, their own story, and that's really what matters. This isn't about entering a new year and starting a new you. This is about just living your life the way that you really want to live it. And as much as I can say, oh my gosh, I'm so ready for 2024, like there's so much to look forward to, it's just because I have those goals that I know are gonna happen in the coming months. My life is moving in a direction that I really didn't expect it to, so yes, these crazy things are happening in 2024, but at the end of the day, it's just happening in my story of my life. But it's so important to do those affirmations, remind yourself that you are worthy of these things, you are worthy of this life, and also being grateful that this is your life, because we all go through tough things, but at the end of the day, we're pushing through. That is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me in the next year. Don't forget to shop Luisa jewelry. Snag these pieces, they're gorgeous while they're having that promo promo, or if they're not, don't forget to use my code for an extra little discount. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring a portion of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go follow me on my other social media channels. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your year and an amazing year ahead.